I actually know how annoying it is for you to spend time to make a video and then you end up uploading it to YouTube. And at the end of the day, after 3 weeks, you end up getting 50 views. It's annoying, I know. So that is why in this video, I want to teach you guys the fastest way to grow your channel as a beginner, as a total beginner with 0 subscriber. All right. If you're just starting out on YouTube, I want to show you guys the fastest way you can start getting views right away. So if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, you're going to understand what I'm trying to do here. All right. So we are going to go to my laptop screen where I'm going to show you guys the step by step. First of all, I'm going to analyze what I've got in. I'll show you guys the proof that yes, I know what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to show you guys how I was able to get that idea. So if you look carefully here, you see that this video has gotten over 100,000 views so far, and it has gained 1.6K subscriber. So before we move on, let's first of all check the top traffic source. And as you can see here, I'm getting views from Browse Future and also YouTube search. Now, I can confidently tell you guys that any video that is getting views from YouTube search consistently can be considered or can be categorized as evergreen content. That is why whenever my videos are getting views from YouTube search, I'm always happy because it's usually used to be a long time views, like getting 200 to 500 views every 1K, because when I posted this video, the video performed poorly. So the first 24 hours when I posted the video, I got about 1,500 views. That's what I got. So I decided to just like leave the video and focus on other videos. All right. But with time, this video grew and started getting views and subscribers daily, every day. So for the past 1 year, this video has been growing and it's just been getting views. And when it crossed 100,000 views, the views just started moving exponentially. Okay. So when you're getting views from YouTube search, it's actually a very good and, I'll consider it the organic traffic in terms of, evergreen. When you're making evergreen content, I consider YouTube search as evergreen content. All right. So now let me show you guys what I normally do every day before I make content, before I like create videos for my YouTube channel. So first of all, I'll have to like log into YouTube. Okay. So basically I'll just go to my YouTube homepage, and what I just like to do is most times, like always, I usually like doing this stuff is just browse through the homepage. Then I want to see the videos that YouTube are suggesting to me. All right. So this is going to give me like heads up that this video is doing well or this video is not doing well as well. You get? So, but most times when YouTube suggests videos to people, it means that video is doing well. So these are the things I used to like consider before I like decide to like take a look at the video or maybe the idea if it's doing well for my creator. All right. So like for instance, now let's take a look at this AI trailer niche because they are doing so crazy well now. If you look at this video, for instance, this video down here, you see that this video has 1.3 million views and it was posted 2 months ago. The channel that posted this video has only just 10,000 subscribers. So I don't need anybody to tell me now that this video idea is bad or good. I already know that this video idea is 100% going to give me views if I want to start a channel in this niche. All right. So, but I think when you're just starting, you don't understand how this YouTube algorithm work. You know, when you're starting your YouTube channel, you don't really have idea on what people want to see, what people want to watch. So the best way you can just quickly get ideas and start growing your channel ASAP is if you like model what is already proven to work from other channels. All right. So now YouTube, let me just tell you people one straight thing about YouTube. When it comes to suggesting videos, they suggest videos that they think audience are most likely to watch. Okay. So if somebody just watch a video about this video currently now, somebody just watched this video, how to create viral football story shorts. Now, this is the video I modeled from. Okay. This video, when this creator post this video, he had like 4,000 subscribers then. So I saw this video at 12,000 views at that time. So I was like, for this guy to get 12,000 views, this creator to get 12,000 views, it means that this title or this idea is a good one. That was what I concluded. So I looked into the video and understand what he did in the video, and then I decided to create my own video, which is this one. And as you can see here, I created the video, but what I did was I refined the title, you know, so I made it how to make faceless football shorts using AI in 2025. As at last year, it was 2024, but because we've changed, we're new year, so I had to change the year in the title to 2025. But you get the idea. So this was where I originally got the idea from, that okay, football story shorts is getting viral now and people want to see more videos on this topic. Okay. So when I saw this, I just had to, I understand that yes, I can make the title a little bit more clickable for people and a little bit more clickable and attractive in terms of packaging to people. So that is how I came about this title, which is how to make faceless football shorts using AI in 2025. Okay, so when you are just starting your channel, what should you do? Now, the first thing you are going to do, if you just create your channel and you have 0 subscribers, 0 views, this is what you're going to do. Go to YouTube. If you have this tool installed on your PC, which is good, next level Chrome extension. I like using it a lot when I'm doing research. When you click on, for instance, I've searched AI trailer here. So what I'm trying to do now is I'm looking for channels that have low subscriber compared to the views they are getting monthly. Now, take a look at these videos here. You see that this video got 2.6 million views 1 month ago. And this channel only has 24,000 subscribers, which is crazy. And it's getting 3,000 views in VPH. Now, the VPH means view per hour. All right. It's getting 3,000 views every hour, which is crazy. Now, let's take a look at this other channel that I've mentioned earlier. This channel also has 10,000 subscribers and has gotten 1.3 million views. So let's now assume you've identified outlier video and you want to recreate the video. Now, what I mean by outlier videos outlier videos are videos that get views more than the channel subscriber count or more than the average views that the channel usually gets. All right. So if a channel usually gets 100,000 views and then it has a video that gets 2 million views, that's an outlier video because the channel don't have any video that's gotten that kind of views. So this video that has gotten 2 million views is an outlier video. For instance, this video is also an outlier video. And usually with the next level 2, you're going to see the outlier score at the end here, which is 16x. It means this video has gotten 16x what this channel usually gets. So when you identify an outlier video, what you just simply need to do is copy the title. Okay. So when you copy the title, also use any thumbnail downloader. With next level, you can download your thumbnail here and all that stuff. So if I want to like save the thumbnail as a screenshot, I can just screenshot it here. That's why I prefer using, you can see here, I have the screenshot of the thumbnail and also the title. So if I want to make video about this now, just this screenshot and this title is my packaging. Like this is the most, let me not say most important step when creating a video, but it's also the most important step when we talk of ideation and also packaging. But first of all, you need to have idea of what you are creating, if it's going to resonate with your audience, if people are going to care about that content first. All right. So if you look at this title now and this thumbnail, I have them here now, and I already know that people are interested in this video. Why? Because it was posted 2 months ago and it has gotten 1.2 million views, and the channel subscriber is just 10k. So it means for it to be getting views, the YouTube algorithm is promoting the video more to more people, and that. So that's just all I care about. What you just have to do is change the title in a way, maybe make the video similar, just make similar videos to this one, just like what I did with this video. I just had to just change some little words just to have my own packaging, to have my own originality in it. So that's just what you're going to do here. I'm not saying you should change everything, and I'm not saying you should copy exactly what you're seeing here, but use this as a guideline to create your own video. All right. So that is exactly how literally everybody on YouTube is doing. Even Mr. Beast is very fond of this. As you can see here, you see this video, $1 versus $500,000 plane ticket, and also $1 versus $1 million yacht. Okay. So it's just the best way to get views. When something has proven to work, what you just need to do is remake it, just refine it, and then make more videos like that. I don't know why most people don't really understand this and how important it is in getting views on YouTube. You don't really need to reinvent the wheel. It's totally madness when you're inventing stuff that you don't actually know if it will work and that. But you have already seen that, okay, this video has proven to work, and all you just need to do is just make it. As a new YouTuber or as a beginner, we don't have what we call audience watch history. So YouTube don't know who or where to promote your video to. So the best way that you're going to know is if you replicate. I'm not saying you should copy any video, but just replicate what is already working on their channel or on their video. Okay. So what you just need to do is look at the video, study video. If you can recreate that video in your own style, add some value, add some information that were not originally there, and you think it will like work, just add them, do your own editing, do your own style and stuff. But when it comes to the thumbnail and then the title, make sure you double down or you replicate what has already proven to work, because that's the fastest way people are going to see your video. And so I just made this channel, so I'm just getting started with making tutorials like this. If you guys want me to make more videos like this and teaching you guys raw on how you can actually get views from YouTube and how you can get the YouTube algorithm to promote your video to more people and grow your YouTube channel in 2025, let me know in the comment section. And also let me know how I performed in this video, if I really need to improve my presentation style and that. So yeah, thank you. I'll see you guys next time.